So, in conjunction with the 2022 UP elections, how do you think this will impact, and what are your overview about the 2022 UP elections in general? How do you think it's going to happen this time?
You see, 7-8 months is always a very long time in politics. We have often seen one day is a very long time in politics. So the UP elections is still a distant, is still a distance away. And I think every political formulation is trying to work out their strategy to be able to do well in that election. The ruling BJP is very clearly trying to muster support for itself on the basis of what they would say is the track record of their government at the state level and national level. That would be their main attempt to try and project themselves. It will be important and interesting to see how the forces which are aligned against the BJP come together in Uttar Pradesh. The last time you did have the BSP and the SP coming together, but that alliance was only to a large extent in terms of the leadership and did not percolate down to the ground. And the visible impact was seen in terms of how that alliance was not able to garner the type of votes and support they were looking for. So this time it will be interesting to see how the two major political forces in Uttar Pradesh, the Bahujan Samaj Party and the Samajwadi Party, are going to outline their strategy in the coming elections. I am sure that they realize that merely forming an alliance doesn't help them. There is a new factor in the election this time, which was not there last time, which is this time around, the BJP is going to defend its track record in governance, whereas last time they were able to go against the Samajwadi Party government and try to benefit from the anti-incumbency sentiment. So that is very different in this election. The BJP would be defending its track record rather than challenging the incumbent. Whereas the Samajwadi Party and the BSP would, I'm sure, either jointly or individually, try to strategize against the ruling party and gain what they would call the traction from any anti-incumbency factor. So it's, I think, still early days. It would depend upon how the forces reigned against the BJP were able to come together. Because we have found in the past coming together is easy, staying together is tougher, and working together is even tougher. And I think you need no better proof of that than the last 2017 elections that you had in UP. So I think the game is still open, and parties are still formulating their strategies at the ground to be able to take the benefits of what they see in the situation forward.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.